Service in Pittsburgh has thunderstorm warning for Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of New Bethlehem to 7 miles east of Kittanning to near Freeport, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Indiana, Homer City, Ford City, Leechburg, Freeport, Clymer, West Leechburg, Rural Valley, West Lebanon, Dayton, Chevy Chase Heights, Hyde Park. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather message. Severe thunderstorm watch number 514 remains.
Wow.
Columbiana.